Up. Boy, if you got it, then double up. Remember your team when you hustle up. Don't make a move till you huddle up. Coming up, looking for trouble, then knuckle up. I see through all of your cover-ups. You think that you gonna set me up? Good luck, break it down. Who at the top, I'ma bring him down. I wanna stop till you laying down, till I'm at the top and I'm gazing down. They've been the same since we came around, since we became kings and became renowned, since all of the truth started raining down. If you want that belt, better buckle down.
56 seconds, all that separates Green Bay from a victory. This next play very well might be the last play of the football game. Myler pump fakes, looking for the end zone.
Take this. You are just not on my level. You are just not on my level.